GBA demands more time for objections and suggestions for RP 2021. Kolva Panchayat body to cancel and withdraw CRZ resolution affecting 196 structures. Is Digambar Kamath-led government against Bahujan Samaj? BJP says it is. Sonia set for Federation Cup. Top Goan boxers to train at Pune. And can you pull a cruise by your teeth? Yes, they can. Watch an interesting report by Prudent Media. Now the news in detail. GBA called on Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on Wednesday, demanding extension in time limit to file objections and suggestions with respect to Regional Plan 2021. They also demanded that the final plan should be kept open for 1 month.
GBA members on Wednesday met Chief Minister Digambar Kamath at Secretariat in Porvorim and submitted memorandum demanding repeal and replace the TCP Act of 1974, freezing ODPs, repealing Amendment 16A of TCP Act. Co-convener of GBA, Sabina Martins, informed more about the demands.
आमची डिमांड पडे आसा ते एक वो जो टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅन खाला जो रिजनल प्लॅन केला तितून 73rd and 74th अमेंडमेंट हाडचो आनी 16A जे सरकारान अमेंडमेंट हाडला ते तेणी काडचे. आता हे दोन इम्पॉर्टंट कित्या 73-74 म्हणजे की जे गांवचे लोक जे सजेशन्स दितले तेका एक लीगल बेसीस आसतले आनी 16A सरकारान कितें केला गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स पडे आहाय ते रिजनल प्लॅनांतल्यान भायर दवरल्या. सो तो अमेंडमेंट काडचो ही आमची मागणी. आनी एक मागणी की हे सगळे पावतकूच हो जो टायम दिला लोकांचे मत घेवपाक तो टायम मातसो तेणी फुडें घेवचो कित्याक हे सगळे मॅप्स करेक्ट करतकूच लोकांनी सजेशन दिवंक शकता ती नाजाल्यार ते सजेशन अर्दकुटे उरतले.
After meeting Digambar Kamath, Sabina briefed the press about the meeting.
We want 73rd, 74th to be introduced in the Town and Country Planning Act. We wanted the repeal of 16A and to ensure that we had said we want the 1998 Town and Country Planning Act to be introduced, the bill to be introduced, sorry.
Town and Country Planning Act.
Bill. There's a model bill of 1998 which the government of India has sent to the various states. The Chief Minister has told us that he's formed a committee and he's referred the bill. He will take suggestions from the public.
Committee? What committee is formed?
He's formed a committee. No, that's a separate steering committee. This is a committee to look into the 1998 model Town and Country Planning.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli.
Kolva Consumer and Civic Forum was seen protesting at Kolva Circle on Tuesday. They were demanding to take back the notices issued by the Kolva Panchayat to demolish structures coming under CRZ area.
Residents of Kolva Panchayat have submitted a memorandum to Block Development Officer demanding withdrawal of the notices issued for the demolition. One of the residents, Judith Almeida, said that Panchayat has failed to keep the promises made to the people of Kolva.
People with local occupations who have actually the people who have protected the coast. Now today we are issuing this memorandum because we want to highlight that this Panchayat has not worked upon its promise to protect the rights of the people, has gone ahead, given an affidavit to the High Court.
Judith further added that the demolition notices should be cancelled.
This Panchayat is taken to task for not doing its duty, not carrying out its duties as it should be, and they have gone ahead and given these demolition notices. These demolition notices should be withdrawn, recalled, and these people should be given due answer. There should be a public hearing.
We spoke with the Block Development Officer, Uday Prabhudesai.
Because High Court order is there, Panchayat has to act on the High Court order, because if the Panchayat fail to act on the High Court order, it will be the contempt of the Honorable High Court. Chief Justice of the Honorable High Court has clear-cut given the direction to the Panchayat to take the action. Last warning dila Panchayat. So they have issued a demolition order. So but demolition order is not, there is a provision to bring the stay on the demolition orders.
Our reporter from Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
After the Kolva Consumer and Civic Forum protested demanding to take back the notices issued by the Kolva Panchayat to demolish structures coming under CRZ area, the Panchayat body on Wednesday passed resolution to cancel and withdraw Resolution 5-6 dated on 15th of December 2008.
Sarpanch of Kolva, Anthony Fernandez, informed that Advocate Surendra Desai would represent the Kolva Panchayat before the High Court in this case.
Withdraw and rescind the resolution dated number 5/6 dated 15/1/2008 and to further issue notices of hearing to each of the affected persons.
And regarding this for the advocate,
We have resolved to withdraw the file from the present lawyer. Independent Mr. Surendra Desai to represent the Panchayat in the High Court.
and about the 200 to 500 resolution.
We have asked the government to depute as a government surveyor to survey all the houses from 200 to 500.
A reporter at Margao, Samir Bhatt.
In an interesting allegation, Govind Parvatkar claimed that the Digamba Kamath government is anti-Bahujan Samaj. He also said that BJP will oppose garbage treatment plant and Banganem site.
Speaking in a press conference, spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party, Govind Parvatkar, alleged that the Digamba Kamath-led government is anti-Bahujan Samaj.
Now the issue of the ST Commission which is going on in Goa today is a peculiar and a very serious issue. Many times we come across a statement by the Congress ministers and even Chief Minister that it is the government of Aam Aadmi. But unfortunately we have to state here that this government and also the in past Congress government has never taken any decision which would favor to Aam Aadmi or a common man in Goa. Today's position of ST, one MLA, they had given him the cabinet berth, but he has been removed from there. And what is the status of the Congress cabinet today? The community wise, this cabinet is completely imbalanced.
Parvatkar said that appointment of Sudhin Davlikar as chairman of ST Corporation is wrong.
It's again strange decision of the Congress government that the ST Commission's presidentship given to a person who is from a higher community person.
Sudhin Davlikar from the ST Corporation.
We demand in the sense we say that it is a wrong decision and it should be corrected.
So you demand to sack him from this ministry?
It's a government decision, no doubt, but we say that it is injustice to the community.
Parvatkar also opposed plans of garbage treatment plant at Bangini.
The BJP also is strongly object this site. They should change the decision of bringing up a garbage treatment in Bangini. The agitation is there. Our Karyakartas are taking part in this agitation. Bharatiya Janata Party will give full support on our behalf, and we will not allow government to bring a garbage treatment plant at this.
Suddenly BJP is becoming attacking on the issue of Bahujan Samaj and the garbage treatment plant at Banganem. Although the statements are pleasing for Bahujan Samaj, CCP is deep problem on the issue of garbage. In Panjim, this is Laukik Shilkar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.